If you have a house in Reynoldsburg, Ohio, and you want to sell, but you don't want to pay fees, commissions, use a realtor, use a broker, or use any type of real estate agent or representative, then this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave Parich, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Reynoldsburg, Ohio as a direct buyer. So one seller, one buyer. There's no realtor involved with the sellers that sell to us, so that means there's no fees, commissions, or any type of cost involved to sell the property. And in this video, I'm going to share with you why so many sellers in Reynoldsburg do prefer to work with us as a direct buyer, but also kind of share the benefits of both sides of it here. Work with realtors. It's a very situational thing, just so you know. For some people, working with a realtor is going to be your best option. So we'll explore that together. For many people, working with us as a direct buyer is their best option, and that's exactly what we're going to kind of uncover here, and that's what we do here is we keep it very easy, and we are a direct buyer. If the house is in beautiful condition, work with a realtor. Right? It's going to show well, they're going to do a great job, and people are going to love this property. But if you don't want to do any work, or the house is in its as-is condition and you don't want to fix the house up, or it might, you don't want to be a weekend warrior, you don't want to go to the Home Depot, you don't want to clean, anything like that, we're probably going to be the best bet for you because we're a cash buyer, and that means we don't need to rely on inspections, appraisals. We're able to just buy the house in its as-is condition. There's no work needed that's too big or too small. We can buy the house as is, and you don't need to do any work. So if you don't want to do any work to the property, we're probably going to be a better fit for you. If the house is in beautiful condition, I would highly consider working with a realtor, right? Because the house is going to show very well. And then finally, it's the kind of privacy factor. And if you're somebody who does not want a lot of people trekking through the house, and you don't want open houses, you don't want a lot of strangers in the house, we're probably going to be a better fit for you, simply because with us, there's no formal inspections, there's not going to be any appraisals, there's not open houses, there's nothing. It's, very simple. We don't need 100 people trekking through the house to buy your house, and some people prefer that if privacy is a sticking point for you. Now, if you don't care how many people walk through the house, if the house is in beautiful condition, you don't have a firm closing date, you don't have any time constraints at all, you don't care about people walking through the house, a realtor is going to be a good fit for you. So it really comes down to your situation and the three big factors and three big differences between somebody who wants to list with a realtor versus somebody who wants to sell to a direct buyer like us. It really comes down to any timelines or time constraints that you might be working with. Number two is the work and repairs. And finally, number three is the traffic in the house. So if you have a house in Reynoldsburg and you want to sell fast, easy, conveniently, and close on the date of your choice, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. And when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. We're just going to talk about your house in Reynoldsburg, and we're going to find out what kind of closing time frame that you're working with. Now, we're going to make you a fair cash offer on the house, but we're not going to put any pressure on this thing. There's no bad taste in your mouth. There's no trying to force you to sign something. There's no sales tactics, gimmicks, and games. We're not a call center. We're here locally. We're going to treat you like a neighbor. Been around for over 14 years. We have hundreds of good reviews and testimonials and, positive. We want to create a positive experience here. Even if that means you not working with us, we're still going to create a good experience here for you. There's many people that we actually refer to real estate agents because they're just a better fit, right, for a realtor rather than us. And if that's the case, perfect, no big deal. At least you can call and see what your options are or see what it could look like if we work together, because we worked with many, many people in the area. So if you have a house in Reynoldsburg and you're looking to sell, you're looking to not pay any fees, commissions, or real estate agent fees or costs whatsoever, you just want to sell to a direct buyer, sell as is, and keep everything very easy, simple, and fair, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Parich, and I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.